We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for a market structure patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up AZPN stock. Let's find a chart where we can figure out what's going on. Okay, let's work with this area near where the price began back in 95, 90, 94. Let's see what's going on. Zoom in a little bit. So what we can see is that market started off from a low. So if we break this chart down, it will be, we have a low here. You can clearly see the high. And then we're going to draw a line through the middle for the midpoint. So let's read the market. So when the market came up, it came up multiple times, about 1, 2, 3, 4, huge consolidation here. And then we went to 5, about 4 to 5 pushes up to the top here. Let's start see what happened at the area of highs. And let's figure out why this market got pushed down. So the first thing I see before the highs is that we can see that double bottom it came out of. So it's that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, cap. So market pushed up 3 times this area of highs. At the area of highs, what do we have? We have a double top. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, couldn't break, retest right next to it, and then the market dropped. From that M, we have a retest here, and we have the final retest area index box here. So that's that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. And there's always another retest here in the lower time frame. And at the market pushed down once, market pushed down twice. So we got 2 pushes to the bottom. We'll push the market back to that low. And then we got to figure out why this market pushed up back to this area of high. When the market was at that low, what we received is we received 1 spike, a second touch, a third touch, and a fourth touch. So what that is, a quadruple bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retest right here. So we got that quadruple bottom retest. Market pushed up once. Market pushed up twice. Another retest here. And you see that area as a cluster. And then the market pushed up for that third and final time, which is cap. So once the market capped itself up at, we got another same pattern that pushed that market to that midpoint. And that's 1, 2. So that's that market doing that double top again. Pushed up once, pushed up twice, retest right next to it. Okay, got that M. Market came back to retest again. And it pushed back down to lows. The market broke below that midpoint area. So we got 2 pushes to the bottom from the area of highs. So there's also an overall pattern, which is here. So this is like the head and shoulders. So we got that left shoulder, we have that right shoulder, and we have the head. 1, 2, 3. So when we see head and shoulders, we know that market's going to push back up. So another pattern besides head and shoulders, I know the left shoulder will be a little bit up to the high. The head will be a lot lower, and then we can see that shoulder, the right shoulder, is kind of matched up, lining up with the area of that left shoulder. Right shoulder matched up with left shoulder, while the head is a little lower. So as an inverted head and shoulders, that's still the same concept of a triple bottom. So all we had to do was just drop this angle down a little further here, drop this a little further here, and that'll have been 1, 2, 3. So what I'm saying is that the head and shoulders is similar to the triple bottom. It's just that with the head and shoulders, the left arm and the right arm is a higher position from the midpoint of the head. But if you think about pushing the left shoulder down and the right shoulder further down, it becomes a triple bottom. And we already know what's going to happen at the triple bottom over the head and shoulders. The market's going to come back up. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, or Cam Jones, FX Running the Levels. Thank you for your attention. AZPN stock.